your girl Beauties. Guys, today we're coming to do an unboxing. I ordered two, I think they're called pencil Christmas trees during the summer for the living room. That's why we're down here in the living room. So we're about to do an unboxing. I'm going to tell you guys about them and what I think about them, and do I like them, and should you get them. So let's do this unboxing and see what we think of these trees. So it's I'm gonna put the whole thing of the tree, but it's the pencil trees, and it's the 8-foot. When I bought them, they were $49.99, so 50 bucks. Now they're $57.99, the mister told me, because he looked it up. And then the original price for them was $129.99, and I got two because I want one on each side of the fireplace. So let's see how they look and see if they're gonna look right. I wanted a pencil tree, something kind of narrow, nothing too big, you know, like the big Christmas tree. I didn't want those. I wanted something a little narrow so you could still sort of kind of see the windows, but you didn't really have to see the whole window. But I want you to know what's the window back there. Feel me? So let's see how these turn out. Okay, you guys, this is the box they came in, and I guess this is just the number on them for the order number. It says 1 quantity. Of course, they're not pre-lit and they're not blocked. Didn't want to get pre-lit because I got a pre-lit tree, and that's in the craft room, and then I have a flock tree already as well. So I just wanted these to be just the plain green pencil trees. Let's see how these come out. Okay, you guys, here's what comes in the box. Here's the instructions, which looks fairly simple. It's a total of 5 pieces coming there, and they give you literally step by step. Excuse the glare from the lights, but step by step on how to put it together. And hopefully it's not a whole lot of fallout, but we shall see. Let's put it together. That's confusing. Okay, y'all, so I'm confused. I don't know which one goes first. So, y'all, I'm confused. I don't know if this goes first, but if it does, am I supposed to take this off? Oh, it comes off. So this one might be the first one. It probably connects it. No, it can't connect at the bottom. So where does this one go? I'm confused. Babe, how did this go? I'm confused. So they just got this to let you know that this, okay. So you guys, they have this on here to let me know that it's the first one. I was confused because they all look the same. But
that's the biggest one.
It is. That's why I was assuming it was first, but then I didn't know because I was like, do it with the bottom, but how would it go with the thing? I was confused. Thank you too much into it. Okay. We got it. Yo, we got it. Okay, so that goes first. Then we're gonna put these in here. Don't judge me, babe. Let's see if we can put these in here. No, I can't get these in there. We'll figure it out. So then I'm assuming the next one would be this one because it looks a little bit bigger. And then this is a little bit confusing. There. And then the next one would be the other one. This one. Okay, you guys, I finally got it. Let me hold y'all up so y'all can see. It's pretty tall. and it's a pencil tree. It's skinny just like I want it to be, I mean. But, y'all, the problem came is, yeah, and of course it's got a lot of fallout because I was just fighting with it. But, anywho, yeah, they give you step by step how to put it together. But, y'all, trying to get those things in the little circles was hard. And then it was confusing. Of course, you knew this was the top, and then you knew the bottom was the base because they put this thing on there. But as you can see, I didn't put those things in there yet because I don't know how to. But anywho, but the two middle pieces, they didn't say which one went first, so you had to figure it out, y'all. I took it apart twice and put it together, like rotated them around, because when I originally did it, it wouldn't go. But I had it right from the get-go, but it wouldn't go. They hard to go in the thing. That's another thing. You have to force it because of the greenery around the hole. You see, you can't even really see the hole, but I had to push some of the greenery from around the hole and then push it in the hole. So we finally got it. I'm out of breath because of course I need to step on my stepper stool to get up there. But we got it, y'all. We got it. So we got it. Now let's fluff it out and see how it's gonna turn out. Y'all, I just had a fight with the darn tree and I think it won. Jesus. Okay, y'all, we got the tree up, somewhat fluffed, and we got issues. These two fell out, and one tree that I haven't put up that goes on that side had these kind of things in it to put at the bottom of the tree to tighten it to make the tree stable. And then this tree had these things. So it must have been already open. They must have sent me a box that was already open. But once you put the tree in, I mean all the noise, my bad, y'all. Once you put the tree in, these things were hard to go in. But these were easier to go in. So they had 4 in the other box, so I used 2 of them. And then I'm saving these 2 to go in the other tree. But these things were very hard to go in. I don't know why, but they were hard to go in. But these 2 went in with no problem. Then 2 pieces broke. Well, they just fell right on out. When I put the tree together, it just came right on out. I'm gonna take some glue and glue them back on, but at the same time, why are you falling off? Anywho, let's get this. See that time? I thought my husband just didn't set that clock back, but it's actually that time. So this is the second tree. Yo, this tree got hair. I don't know what this is. What is this? You see this? What is that? It's got hair. I'm gonna cut it. But the Mr. finally came and helped me with this dilemma. He was like, just put them in before you put the tree in, and that will help. So I did that. Then another dilemma I had was I didn't have, for some reason in that bag, only had 3 of these little black pieces right here. Only had 3 of them for this tree. So the Mr. put, y'all see it? A little piece of the cardboard from off the box in there, and that made it stable. Other than that, it was a little rocky. So tomorrow we're gonna fluff this tree out and I'll give my opinion on yay or nay for the tree. This is the first one we did. I didn't fluff it out as much as it could be, but fluffing it got me those two pieces right there. I think this one, the first one, was already open and somebody returned it or something. I have no clue, because how pieces falling off and then the tools were this, and they originally came like this and that one, and the thing was tied, the bag was tied, this bag was tied, and this bag I had to tear open. So I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. But this is the ending of this tree. And we'll fluff the other one and I'll give my final opinion. 4 or 5 stars. I'm at 5 stars out of 5 stars, or 4 or 5 stars, however you say it. Okay, the trees are up, you guys, and they fit perfectly in front of the windows, as you can see, and they're not covering the window like I wanted them to, which is awesome. You still can see the window behind it. Y'all excuse all those meters and cords down there, but they turned out nice. Love both of them. Only a few things I don't like about it, but other than that, I love them. Now let's get my final thoughts. 4 out of 5 stars. I give it a 4, and I will tell you why. Hey guys, the reason I give it 4 stars is because I have 2 of the same trees, but they came with 2 different screws, as I explained earlier. This came with 1 tree with 4. This came with another tree and it was only 3. So let me hide my face so you can see what they look like. That's what they look like. And these were harder to put in the little holes at the bottom of the tree. They were harder to put in them. So I figured it out at the end of the situation. The mister told me to put them like slightly in before I actually put the tree in. So the second tree, that's what I did. I put them slightly in, and then I put the second tree in, then I twisted them all the way in. Versus the first tree, I put the tree in, then tried to screw them in and it wouldn't go. But that's the only thing I had a problem with. And then the other thing was they got some little clamp things at the bottom of the tree. They're not clamps, they're like little, I'm gonna call them little shoes. I don't know what they're called, but I'm just gonna call them little shoes. I don't know what they're called. There's some little things at the bottom of the tree stand to make sure it don't stretch up the floor and all that. They supposed to have 4. Yeah, supposed to have 4. This tree only had 3. So the mister had to rig it. I showed you guys all that. And then the other one had all 4. Then with the tree to the right, 2 of the stems came off, right? And then the tree behind us, it's 1 stem came off. So that's why they got 4 instead of 5 stars. That's a lot to be wrong. So technically they should get like 3.5 stars versus 3.5, 4 stars. Yeah, that's about good. But I can use these on a DIY, or honestly just glue them back to the tree where I feel like it's empty spots and stuff like that. So I'm not really worried about it, but at the same time, it shouldn't be falling apart. So that's all I have for this video, and if you guys want to see me decorate both trees, stay tuned, thumbs up the video. Also, if it's your first time watching, hey girl, hey, we would love for you to stay. So hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell right next to it. And you guys, I'm enjoying this tree. I didn't fluff it out like it needs to be. You see how that's looking crazy? So it could be fluffed out a little bit more, but we're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. I just wanted to show y'all my new trees. Thanks for watching again. Bye.